Today I want to showcase two of the dishes I'm really most proud of. The first dish I have is the sweet and sour pork belly. It's a reminiscent of one of the Chinese classics, just the sweet and sour pork. I'm taking all the components with the sweet and sour pork, bell peppers, pineapples, and the classic sweet and sour sauce. I love this dish because it brings me back as a child where my dad makes a lot of the classic Chinese dishes. The dish at Fortunate Son, it's a little bit more of my twist. Next dish is the Szechuan green beans. This is a really simple dish that a lot of Chinese places will have. Green beans or any other vegetables, on the family meal table. You always have like some sort of vegetables. The green beans kind of screams out for me a lot more. The one that we're doing at Fortunate Son is a little bit more elevated just because of the Fresno chilies, of the pickled mustard, garlic, ginger, and a dash of soy sauce. I love cooking a wok because it doesn't have that traditional fry pan style. With a wok, you can kind of create a little bit some smokiness to it. I mean, I've been working in the industry for 10 plus years, and most of my time has been cooking in French kitchens. In a French kitchen, there's a lot of, small fry pans, pots, transitioning into a Chinese kitchen layout. You don't have a lot of that opportunity to use any of the smaller pans, and pretty much all you're left with is just a wok. And the wok is the beauty because it can pretty much do everything that you can do in a French kitchen. With Fortunate Son, what we're trying to do is we're trying to elevate the food, the flavors, the techniques in a fun, cool new way.